Hello everyone, I'm Ali Gulkaram. As you know, we are here with Honda CRM 250R 1992 model, and we are looking for problems on this bike and tell you how can you resolve these problems. Thank you. Okay, the first step, you just look the motorcycle body, stickers, color, and I don't know, some parts who you can see. Okay, the front suspension or forks, oil on the surfaces, yes, positive. You need to disassemble sails and new oil and reassemble them, assemble with new parts. Okay, look at the radiator. You can see this is covered. Left radiator, it is okay too. Okay, the exhaust. You can see some rock, heat, there. Okay, that's okay too, but if you change it, you can ride this bike well or prettier than you can ride with this exhaust pipe. Okay, the real pipe is okay too. This is okay. This is okay, but this is a fake one, not OEM part. This part, this black part, not OEM part. The bar is okay. The throttle is okay. The clutch, not okay. Cable need to change. You can see it. You can see oil on the cylinder head, here, and here too. This bike need to rebuild completely, but don't need to repaint and change the stickers. This isn't correct, and this bike working more than this number. The rims don't broken, that is okay. The brake pads is okay. The disc, not the disc. If you change it, make this better. But if you don't change it, no problem. You can't. Don't change. Okay. The chain is okay too, but if you change it, you make it safer. Air filter need to be replaced. The air filter. Okay, change it. The transistor or the bike computer, if I say correct, this is okay, and they don't open it anymore. Okay, we done the body check Not complete, but we done it. Second step, you put the kickstart. If the bike don't have kickstart, okay, you don't need it. This bike just have a kickstart. Just start the bike. You hear the sign of the cylinder piston and the ring, and you can hear it. Even if the current goes, or I don't know, some bearing on this engine, I don't know, you don't have normal thickness. Just sound like that. You can hear this. Come closer. Enjoy the game. As you hear, the sound and yelling of the engine, you can guess what happened in this engine now. And I told you this bike need to change piston ring, piston, and re-boring the cylinder. I'm going to open it and show you what happened in the engine. Okay, come here. We open the bolts. This piston is new and brand new. They use on it, but you can see the thickness. بیا نزدیکترین گوشه رو بگیر. Thickness, you can see. This need to rebore with 15 piston and rebuild this cylinder and piston and ring. Then I take a picture of that. Take the picture of that, take the video of that, and you can see what the standard thickness between piston, rings, and the cylinder.